Create a new file with a black background. My file is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Select the horizontal type tool and make the text color white. Then type your text. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. You can now resize and move the text. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer. Right-click on the top text layer and select Rasterize Type. Go to Edit. Transform. Rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Go to Filter. Stylize. Wind. The method is wind. And the direction from the right. Go to Filter. Wind. Do this 2 times to enhance the effect. Go to Edit. Transform. Rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. Place the text with the wind effect on top of the other text. Select the top text layer and add a layer mask to it. Go to Image. Adjustments. Invert. Select the Brush tool. Use a hard round brush. And make the opacity 100%. Make the foreground color white. Brush over the bottom of the text to bring the wind effect back. Press Ctrl+J a couple times if you want to enhance the effect. And that's how you create this text with a wind effect.